Master electricians at work here. We got our local insurance agent here, formerly an electrician, running wire for us, and Max, who is in electrician school, learning on the fly. So we got many rolls of wire, running several circuits at one time, making things look easy and hard at the same time. Over to that easy peasy little panel box over there. So getting some electrical done.
Coming? Yeah. Grab hold. What? You pulling? Yeah. All right, keep going. A little bit yet?
No.
All right.
Fraylin's my little helper today, huh? She wanted to farm, so she's helping me get the lines pushed through for the water spray downs here. So, is that hard work?
Yeah.
Yeah, she told me she was sweating today.
Hey, Daddy, I want to see. I want to see it.
You want to see it? All right. All right, we got all the wiring done for the robot rooms here. We have all the outlets over here along the wall, light switches, which equals out to be three-way switches. We got those all done. This room here is where the air compressor is going to go. We got the main panel. Also, this hole in the wall over here, that will be a vent. That whenever the system is washing, you need to have air blowing into the robot room. So that will bring clean air in from outside. And in this hole right here, there will be a fan, which we have over here laying in the corner down here. So that fan will go up into this hole, and that'll pressurize this room. So yeah, so the robots are all in here. We have a little bit of trim to do over the robots yet. We got a stainless steel piece that's going to cover the concrete here, because the soap that we use eventually just erodes the concrete down. So we have one on each end we need to put in. So this room here has got 3 lights in. It's kind of a little tricky. The roof's on a slant and we're sloping up, and then on the other side it shoots up a little bit more. Also, we have the outlets up here for the air curtains that we'll be putting up on top. Yes, girlie.
Are we going milky and pretty soon, and then we're going to be done?
Oh, you want to be done working?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't want to work anymore?
Yeah.
You worked too hard today?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I think that was what you call Gen Z, or maybe. So we're going to push a few more water lines through. Then also I wouldn't mind pushing the big main water line down to the other robots that will supply water for this room. We already have the air 1-inch plumbed in to the other room, so that was quite a pull. So yeah, so we're coming right along in this room. Projected startup date for the robots is maybe sometime in May, we're hoping. So that would be great. Alright everyone, we gonna do a little bedding today in the freestall barn. We got to keep putting sand in these beds every week. Keep the cows comfortable. It's a weekly thing, so hey, we're gonna put about 3 loads down today, so just come along, take a look. Milking cows bedded for the day. We got a little extra time this afternoon, and the sand's pretty good shape, so we're going to be putting about 2 or 3 loads into the dry cow alley also. So we do not bed those as often. Seems like they don't kick as much sand out of the stalls. Stalls are a little bit bigger, and plus the dry cows seems like they lay in their stalls a little bit longer every day versus the milk cows, which are getting up and moving and everything else. So yep, so that's what we're going to be doing the rest of the day.